We'll guide you through how to fix Epic Games' slow update and download speeds. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So, the first thing we need to do in order to fix our Epic Games launcher download and update speeds. So into the Epic Games launcher, and in this download section you guys are experiencing slow speeds. Just click on this icon on the top right hand side which says the first letter of your username. Click it and then we can head into settings, which is right here. Just click open settings. We need to scroll down a little bit until we see downloads and installs. Click on go to download settings. And then we will see a download speed section which says limit download speeds. Make sure this is unchecked because we do not want to limit your download speeds. If you had it checked, you can uncheck it and then see if your download speeds are now fixed. However, if they aren't, we can move on to the next step, for which we have to change some Windows settings. So just cross out of your launcher and make sure to properly close it out. That means to close the window and then also close it entirely, exiting from the taskbar. Once we've done that, we need to press our Windows key and our R key, that's R for Romeo. So Windows R, and this pop-up will open up, which is called Run. You can also search this here in the Windows search bar, type in Run and it will open up. So once you're here, type in %local app data %. And so once you've written this, just click on OK and these folders should open up. Over here, we're looking for the folder called Epic Games Launcher. You can just press E on your keyboard to make the search easier for you. It will bring you to all the items which start with E. Open your Epic Games Launcher folder and from here go into saved. And from here, we should delete this web cache 4430 folder completely. So just delete this and make sure to also delete it from the recycle bin. Empty recycle bin, press that and it will be gone. So once we've deleted that folder, you can head into your Epic Games launcher and see if everything is working fine, if the speeds are now normal. If they aren't, then you should probably close out your Epic Games launcher again, close it out from the taskbar so we can move to the next step, which would be going to the control panel. So just open up the search, write in control panel and open it up. Once you have the control panel open, we can actually just make it bigger, and then this section says view by. Click on it and make sure you're viewing by large icons so we can actually stumble upon this option where it says network and sharing center. Open up the network and sharing center, double click it, and then we need to head into change adapter settings, which is on the left hand side here. Click that once and we will see the internet connection that we're using. Right click it, go into properties, and then from here, this Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, click that, go into properties, and from here, we're looking at these bottom settings over here. Obtain DNS server address automatically. We're actually going to change that to use the following DNS server addresses and enter them manually. So select this, and in the top section, the preferred DNS server, we need to write 8 4 times. That would be 8, and then in the alternate DNS server, we need to write 8844. Then just click on OK, and then everything should work smoothly in your Epic Games launcher. You should be getting the full speed. If you guys found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.